Hey, what's up guys? Today I'll be taking you through an unboxing of a far-fetched order of mine, which is the Scarosso Chelsea boot. Let's see if they fit well and if the sizing guides really work. So the box currently is absolutely huge. Oh, here! Alright, there's this sort of easy open thing here. Very luxurious touch, attention to detail. Oops, okay, not so. I mean... Alright. So again, booking the return is free. And we probably have the Scarosso shoebox here in this paper. Okay, this is the Scarosso shoebox. Dark grayish blue, mostly blue, like a very beautiful Italian blue, Neapolitan blue. Let's open this up. Of the Chelsea Boots I. Wow. These are so beautiful, guys. Whoa. So I got the Giacomo version, which is the rubber sole, and I figured that, you know, since it's boots, it would be better to have more friction than a leather sole. I also really like the leather sole actually, but they didn't have my size. So I went for the rubber sole. First impressions, it feels pretty high quality, and again, the shape is really nice. You can see the shape of the shoe. I hope it fits though, so let's see in a bit. I've been on the search for the perfect Chelsea boot for the very longest time, and I'm glad that I finally got around to ordering a pair. Alright, so I managed to get a carpet so I can try these on safely, and hopefully these fit. Oh wow, these fit absolutely perfect. Wow. Actually either perfect or slightly on the larger side, because I feel like my feet can still wiggle. They're not like hugging or snug. It's not snug on the foot. Alright, so I actually have a look here for you guys, so you can visualize a way to wear these black Chelsea boots. So very easy, you know, an easy way to look luxurious but still stylish is an all black look, which I have right now. I'll show you guys in a bit. So for today's sample look, I have an all black look. I chose to pair the black Chelsea boots from Scarosso with my black quilted jacket from H&M, and this is over a black Supima cotton tee from Uniqlo, as well as black 3D Miracle Air jeans also from Uniqlo. This creates an all black look. It makes the wearer look luxurious and obviously easily stylish, and since it's a straight line from top to bottom, it makes the wearer look taller as well. This look picks up the black from my hair, and it's an easy look for basically anyone with black hair. You can never go wrong with an all black look anyway. Normally I'm a size 45, but depending on the brand, sometimes 44, but mostly 45. But for Scarosso, the sizing guides showed 44, which was actually perfect. I feel like if I sized down a bit more, it would be too small and it would be a bit uncomfortable near my toe area because I think my feet are a bit wider. Yeah, so the question is, will I return these shoes and get a different size or just return them because I don't like them? The answer is no. So far, I really like these shoes. So far, I think probably one of the best shoes I have. Pretty happy with them. Trying Farfetch was a pretty pleasant experience. Actually, DHL was actually estimating my delivery to arrive by Wednesday, and today's Monday, so it arrived way earlier than expected. Pretty crazy. So I guess this is the world we live in now, you know, where a package travels from Italy to Germany to Hong Kong and then right to the Philippines. So it's pretty amazing that they deliver faster and they deliver high quality original products. And yeah, these products you will love for sure, and they have very good return policy. But fortunately for me, I don't need to avail of their return policy because the sizing guide was so good that it got the perfect size for me. And overall, I really like these. I'll show you a bit more detail. You can see over here, the elastic is actually just rounded. Some other brands like to do some sort of a shape here, like matching the last of the shoe, but this one's rounded, so that's one distinct style feature. It's a plain toe, obviously, just like a clean Chelsea boot should. The back has this seam in the middle over there, and obviously there's a tab over here that you can pull so you can wear them easily or maybe take them off easily. Again, these are the rubber sole. These are the Giacomo version, so yeah, obviously more grip, so you slip a lot less when it's raining and you're stepping on some slippery stones or pavement or surface. Especially the driveway we have here in the house, it's very slippery, especially when it's wet. Because yeah, I've slipped there like a couple of times and it's very uncomfortable. So you can also see that stitched, it's Goodyear welted, so there's some stitching all the way around the sole. I'm not sure if the camera's picking that up, but it goes all the way around. So obviously you can resole this, but I'm not sure how. Maybe I'll need to contact Scarosso in a few years. So far I'm pretty happy with this purchase, and I guess it's an all black shoe, because if it's leather, you get to see some leather on this part in the middle specifically and around here. So far I'm really happy with these Chelsea boots. I think it's one of the best Chelsea boots you can actually get from the Philippines with free shipping, and I got a huge discount as well on Black Friday on Farfetch. I keep saying Farfetched, the Pokemon. So if you like Pokemon, leave a like and let me know down below who's your favorite Pokemon. But yeah, I keep on saying Farfetched, but the platform I got these on was Farfetch. What other details? Obviously Scarosso. It says over here, absolutely beautiful, Italian made in Italy, beautiful. Again, shoe size is 44. Absolutely ecstatic with this purchase. One minor gripe I have here is that I just wish the boot fit a bit more snug, because I guess that's how I'm used to wearing my shoes, like it's a bit more snug around the foot. But this one sort of just sits on the foot, but it's not like hugging it. So I'm not sure how to feel about that. Maybe I'm just not used to it. But yeah, I'm pretty sure I can get used to it. Plus, it makes it more comfortable to wear. So I believe we also have some leather lining inside. These are actually a Christmas gift to myself. And yeah, if you're considering buying something from Farfetch, it's very straightforward. I absolutely love their service. It's very straightforward, very luxurious. What else? It's very high class, experience shopping there. And obviously, another gripe I have about Farfetch is they don't have the picture of the sole of the shoe on the website, so I had to go to the official Scarosso website to check the difference between the Giacomo shoe and the Giancarlo Chelsea boot, which again had the leather sole, and this one had the rubber sole, which I discovered when I checked the website. But it wasn't on the Farfetch website, so I think that's something they can improve. If you're thinking about buying something from Farfetch, definitely, if you're looking at shoes, leather shoes for men, definitely Scarosso is one of the best ones over there. They have really fair prices. I got this one for about 10,000 pesos, slightly higher, and I was expecting some... Oh, another thing is I was expecting some duties actually, or taxes, when it arrives here in the Philippines, and I need to pay for it. I was really hoping that I wouldn't, and luckily I didn't for some reason. So yeah, really convenient. Farfetch is pretty great. So if you're looking for some nice brands, definitely Farfetch is a great way to get them. And these Giacomo black leather Chelsea boots are really great as well, if you don't mind the rubber sole, which again is a utilitarian choice over the more elegant leather sole. That's it for this video. If you like this video or you found it useful, please like the video, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in that next video. And also comment down below what you think of Farfetch and these amazing Chelsea boots. Oh my god, they're so beautiful. Just looking at the light and the reflection, in the video feed, it's beautiful. Anyway, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I guess that's the experience of buying Scarosso boots through Farfetch from the Philippines, and it was nothing short of amazing. There was just a bit of uncertainty with the text and the sizing. And that's it. That's basically it. And yeah, thanks for watching this video, and I hope you liked the look as well, the all black look. I took off the jacket because it was too hot. I also got this light actually that I forgot to turn on. Oh, and by the way, I got these shoes on a Black Friday sale. So these got to that price, but normally they would be a bit more expensive. And I also highly recommend the Scarosso brand, because if you see Farfetch, all of the pricing of the other products they have there is like really expensive, like $500, $1,000, even more for shoes. And these, I think, they strike a really great balance between price and quality, because obviously Italy is one of the best places to get shoes in the world, obviously. So yeah, really happy with these. And if you're planning to buy some nice shoes to add to your collection, definitely Scarosso on Farfetch is an amazing, amazing deal. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.